We will start the topic thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a Greek word. Its literal meaning is the flow of heat. Here, thermodynamics is made up of two words, thermo and dynamics. Its literal meaning is the meaning of thermo is heat and dynamics means motion or flow. So we can say that thermodynamics is the flow of heat. Thermodynamics is a branch of science which deals with the all change in energy or transfer of energy that accompany physical and chemical processes. So we can define the thermodynamics that it is concerned with interconversion of various forms of energy. Or we can define that we can also say it is the chemical thermodynamics. So chemical thermodynamics is one of the branch of physical chemistry which deals with transport of heat either by physical or chemical change. Chemical thermodynamics is concerned with the following questions, means some questions arises in our mind that first is when two or more substances question in our mind comes that why we need to study thermodynamics. First question which comes in our mind that when two or more substances are put together, will they react? And second question is if they do react, what energy change will be associated with the reaction? For the study of about two questions, we need or the new branch of science will be generated, that is the thermodynamics. The study of thermodynamics is based on four generalization or four laws are given to study the thermodynamics. That is zeroth law, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. All the four laws are based on the human experience and there is no formal proof for the that. Now, some terms, some important terms used in thermodynamics. Before we study the law of thermodynamics, it is necessary to define some of the basic terms which are frequently used in its discussion. First is system, surrounding, and boundary. First, system. System is defined as a specific part of universe or specific portion of matter, means which is under experimental investigation. So we can define that the system is the specific part of universe or a specific portion of the matter which is under experimental investigation. Second is surrounding. Except system, rest of the universe or rest of the part of matter except system is called the surrounding, or we can say that all other matter which can interact with the system is surrounding. Next is boundary. Anything which separate system and surrounding is called boundary. Boundary may be real or imaginary, or it may be rigid or non-rigid, or it may be conductor or non-conductor of heat. In case the boundary is conductor of heat is known as diathermic wall, or in case of non-conductor boundary is known as adiabatic wall. Now we can understand, for understanding the system surrounding and boundary, we take an example. Suppose if a reaction is carried out in a beaker, means this is a beaker and a reaction is carried out in a beaker. The content of beaker is constitute the system and the air and anything else in the vicinity constitutes the surrounding. And the wall of beaker is constitute the boundary. So this is an example of system, surrounding and a boundary. Suppose if an beaker kept in a room having a reaction mixture, so we can say that the reaction mixture in a beaker is a system and the room which is in contact or which is in the air and room is constitute the surrounding, and the wall of beaker is served as the boundary.